Hi guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So if you want to see how I made the most tastiest and fluffiest akara, then stay tuned and keep watching. So if you're not subscribed, then definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more. So these are the peeled beans that I'm using. I'm using Nigeria's Taste brand. I was just showing you the packaging. So I had soaked these overnight and then here I am just washing it, getting rid of the black specks that you find in the beans. So I did a very extensive wash because I like my beans clean. So once the beans are nicely washed, you're going to add a bit of water, a bit at a time, into your blender or food processor, and you want a nice fluffy texture. So this is the texture you want for your akara. Next, I'm going to add on some onions. I like to mix the white and purple onions. Then I add this into my mixture. As well as the onions, I like to add in a Maggi cube and some Scotch bonnet pepper and a little bit of salt. So I like to add in the peeled beans first, and then I blend in the ingredients in the mixture, and this is the texture that you're going for. So you don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too watery. Once you're done, then you're ready to fry. So in some hot oil, enough to cover it. Once you lay it down and turn it over, you're gonna go and start frying your akara. I can taste this already through the screen. So you want the heat high enough that the outside is a beautiful golden brown color. At the same time, you want the inside to get cooked properly. So in total, you want to fry for about 3, 4, 5 minutes, turning them round through the process, as I said, to make sure they're nice and golden brown and the inside is cooked well. So as the frying process is nearly done, you want to transfer it to somewhere that the oil can drain through before serving. So once akara are fried and ready, you're going to transfer it to your serving dish. And yes guys, this is the final look. So tasty and fluffy. So guys, if you want to see more videos, then make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, let me know what you eating your akara with. Are you eating it with pap? Are you eating it with oats? Are you eating it with bread? Or are you like me that just likes to pick and eat them by itself? So guys, until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.